How does investing feel right now? Like a dense, intimidating jumble full of jargon, complicated charts, and risks you don't fully understand? You're not alone. For years, breaking into the stock market felt reserved for experts in suits, but thankfully, that's changing. The modern financial world is all about accessibility, and platforms like Nutmeg are leading the charge in making investing simple, straightforward, and actually manageable for beginners. Nutmeg isn't just another trading app, it's a digital wealth manager built on the core idea that everyone deserves a stress-free path to growing their money. Their approach dismantles the three biggest barriers that stop new investors: complexity, choice, and commitment. Eliminating complexity, the power of managed portfolios. The first hurdle is deciding what to invest in. Should it be tech stocks, bonds, or maybe gold? Nutmeg bypasses this initial complexity by offering managed portfolios. Instead of picking individual stocks, you pick a risk level, say, cautious, steady, or ambitious. Nutmeg then takes care of the rest. They build and maintain a diversified portfolio of investments for you, matching it to your chosen risk tolerance. This means professional experts are constantly monitoring the markets, adjusting the asset mix, and rebalancing your portfolio to keep it on track, all without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a dedicated financial advisor in your pocket, automating the toughest part of investing. Simplifying choice for investment styles. Nutmeg further simplifies the decision-making process by giving you 4 clear investment styles to choose from. Fully managed, this is their flagship service. It's actively managed and includes tactical decisions based on market conditions, aiming to maximize returns for your risk level. Fixed allocation, a lower-cost option. Your portfolio is built and automatically rebalanced, but the investment mix isn't constantly tweaked by the team. It stays fixed to its target allocation. Smart Alpha, a unique hybrid style that combines the insights of Nutmeg's investment team with the low-cost benefits of institutional-grade exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Socially responsible investing, SRI, for those who want their money to make a positive impact. This option invests only in companies meeting specific environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, criteria. These clear options eliminate the paralyzing effect of endless choice. You just pick the style that matches your philosophy and let Nutmeg handle the execution. Low barrier to commitment, easy starts, and accessibility. Finally, Nutmeg makes starting easy. Their minimum investment is low. Getty Images. Which is crucial for beginners who don't have thousands to start with. The platform is designed to be intuitive and transparent, providing clear dashboards that show exactly where your money is invested and how it's performing. You can set up a variety of accounts, too: a general investment account, an ISA, individual savings account, if you're in the UK, which allows you to invest tax efficiently, or even a pension. This flexibility means you can consolidate your savings and growth goals all in one place. Nutmeg takes the overwhelming task of managing an investment portfolio and transforms it into a simple, set-and-forget process. They democratize sophisticated investing, allowing you to focus on your life while your money works hard for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.